Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, it's another edition of What's in My Bag. So this is a new bag. I just got this for Christmas. Probably will explain why this looks like it's still brand new yet. It's not worn down, haven't been worked in yet, or hasn't been damaged or stained or any tears or anything like that. So I just got it for Christmas. Tote bag. My favorite color, purple. So I don't know where it came from because I got it as a gift from my husband. If I was to make a guess, he could have got it from Temu. So I wanted this. The straps are out as far as they go because I prefer to carry totes and purses over my shoulder. And it's a little on the short side, but it works out. So this one side, you see, has two zipper pockets, and it has, or two little zipper pockets, a bigger zipper pocket, and two Velcro pockets. Obviously, a main zipper on the inside. Yeah, but it's got another side zipper on it, and plus it has the two ends pockets. So start with the end pockets. I think one car keys. I got one. One has my car keys right now. The other pocket's empty. We got the big zipper on the side. And right now it has it's an ESD strap. If you don't work in electronics or anything like that, you have no clue what this is. This is for work. Well, you might have a clue what this is. ESD stands for it's electric static. It's electric. I can't think of it. Electrostatic discharge. Because you know how we all carry. I work with electronic components, and if you're not wearing some type of device to help get rid of the charge that you might naturally charge, you might damage electric components. I think you walk across the room, touch the doorknob, and every so often you touch stuff and you have static electricity. Stuff like this helps protect electric components. So that's what that is. Something a little more obvious. It's a phone charger. iPhone phone charger. Right now, I'm using my iPhone to record this. So I believe I had this when I was going through my back pain, and even then I wasn't taking this that much, but it's still in here. Alright, so the other side, the bigger pocket, I'm not sure or the bigger pocket, it's not empty. Because I've been going, recovering from COVID. I returned to work, but for this week I've been wearing masks at work. I got these at Old Navy. These are Old Navy masks. During the pandemic time, and they were as a package that were Christmas themed. So yeah, it looks like plaid. See, this one has lights on it. So I have Christmas themed mask, and that's what I was wearing all week. So right now that's what's in the side pocket. Otherwise I think it's mostly empty. Okay, and I got the little zip side pockets. This one has a keypad so I can get to work. Because I take this to work. So that gets me into work. The other one right now is currently empty. There's nothing in that. And then we got the two pockets that have Velcro on it. One has my wallet. The other one has goodies in it. So right now I have snacks. I have some tea bags. A bunch of tea bags. And this is I don't use the whole packet. That's hot chocolate. I might put a little bit in my pocket. So that's all the outside pockets. So now we got the big inside pocket inside. And there is, I don't know if you can see, there's a zippered compartment right there. And the other side there's two like little, like you would probably can fit your cell phone or sunglasses or something. So there's two of those. And right now in one of those, cough drops. You got cough drops in there. Well, I think these are not cough drops. They're like vitamin C type drops. So that's in one pocket. Oh, there's something in the other one. Oh, and Band-Aids in the other one. Now we're going to open in the zipper pocket. That one has, I have a tape measure, because I had a project in here that I needed the tape measure. That's it. Oh, that's a pen. This is the crochet hook, the project I'm working on, which I'll show you in a second, because that's in the main compartment. Put it down. I threw a stitch marker in there. Oh, I found another stitch marker. And this is, oh, it's a USB drive for work. So I'm going to put all those back in there. Oh, the main compartment. We'll have this. I would have had this in the side pocket. I just didn't put it back in there. So this is the container that's got, it's got stitch markers and metal things, the scissors. This was part of a kit, and then there's like, I'm drawing a blank. A thimble, which I don't use. I use the scissors all the time, and there's stitch markers in here. These are cable holders. If I were to knit, I need a cable holder. So there's a couple of those, and I do have some plastic needles. There's another one in there, so there's two, and a variety of different types of stitch markers in there. Sticker my daughter gave me. It's like a kind of like a fidget type relaxation where you like trace the colors and the rainbow, and it has a texture to it. Anyway, that is usually in the side zipper pocket. Probably was using it and just threw it back in the pocket. The main pocket has usually, is the project I'm working on. And this one is completely done. If you've seen any of my work in progress, this was a rug. And then I just happened to fold it. And I'm like, that looks like I'm going to make a nice purse. So it was a rug, and now it's going to be a purse. And we are so close to finishing because all I got to do is sew the strap down the side. And then that should be, and then I might do and trim or edging around it. Yeah, I think this will look cool. Makes it cool. Yeah, another bag inside a bag. Here we are. Yeah, this one, work in progress, is empty. Alright. So that is everything that's I have in this bag at the moment. So let me know what you think about the What's in My Bag series. It comes out every so often when I feel like I want to go through stuff in a bag. So, and let me know what you think of the tote. I like it. I like it. And purple is my color. So I did get another tote. I got another tote, which for Christmas too, that has my initials on it. So I might go through that, but right now that tote's empty. There's nothing in my tote right now on that one. That'll be a short video. So anyway, enough babbling by me. If you did like this kind of video, give it a like. If I see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.